We just arrived here in Switzerland to meet up with Mick from 42 Adventurers, and we're lucky enough to have him show us around his home country.
Reinhard Reed pulled up today, so I'm sure it's gonna get rowdy because that crazy German dude always talks us into trying some gnarly things.
One, titties.
Eins, zwei, drei. Ist du Arsch?
Let's go, babe!
Wait a minute.
All right, we're gonna climb this abandoned hotel in Italy.
This is so wild. This is the best trip of my life.
Oh my God. Oh my God. How do you feel, brother? Yeah, I'm good. Junge. What the fuck?
Price you pay to send, dude, I don't know.
Front flip Arschbombe.
Your butthole must be ruined.
So that Arschbomber was intentional, right?
Yes, I did the same jump at World Championship. We go. Okay. Guys, wrap up. We gotta go. It's dangerous.
Looks bigger down there.
Looks big from here.
Doesn't look big up here, which is weird. It's usually backwards. I think it's smaller down below, and I get up on the top, like, ugh.
I think it looks perfect. Super deep.
It's being measured right now. How high do you think it really is?
Well, at first it didn't look a thing over 70 from at the top, but when you're down here, man, this thing's got to be every bit of 101 feet.
It's not a waterfall, so if you don't land perfect, it's gonna hurt.
Ready?